Up at dawn. 5:42. Look at all the bluebirds. My goodness. I'm trying to count them. 9. Dear Lord, there's like 9 bluebirds. I swear to God, I have never in my entire life seen that many bluebirds. I hope when you see these videos that you zoom in. Dear God, zoom in. Look, look, look. There's... look at this. Blue, blue, blue. Oh, it's everywhere. Blue. That was very good right there. Oh, and white-crowned sparrows everywhere. My goodness. That's another bluebird. See, that's the female, I think. And then, of course, there's another one. Another one up there. It's just, I've lived here since October 2022. I've never seen this many bluebirds in my entire life. It's got to be some kind of miracle. For sure. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. I'll try to count. 1, 2, 3. Oh, don't move. 1. Okay, I'm going to focus it on the birds and then see if I can count. Of course, the dogs are up at dawn, and there's just 1 over there, and then let's try to do a count. 2, 3, 4, 5. There's 6. 1 flew off. 7. At least 7 or 8. Oh, and then my kitty. Oh my goodness. I guess Kitty watching the birds freaked him out, but of course, nothing freaks out doves. Like, where'd you go? Everybody be back in a minute. Honestly, a cat watching them is kind of a new thing. But we still have one little bluebird. 2. Oh my, what a special day. Grand rising, y'all. I hope that, I wish I could get a better shot of these birds, but it's dawn, so it's still kind of dark out there. Oh, and this is one of my big fat grouses. He's actually a pretty big bird. So, wow. What a special day. What a special day. Yep. So, happy dawn. Happy May 7th. I'm very emotional this morning, and I honestly don't know why. Sometimes I feel like I'm feeling the feels of every relative I've ever had that's in heaven now. All those stoic people. Never could feel anything. So, look at that. I hope you have a blessed, glorious morning. Namaste, y'all.